Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theory. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term addendum. Introduction. An addendum, derived from Latin meaning something to be added, is a significant concept in the realm of books and publications. It refers to an addition or appendix to a book, and the plural form of the term is addenda. Addenda are often included to provide additional information, correct errors, or update the content of a book after it has been published. This video explores the purpose and significance of addenda in literature and other written works, supported by examples and practical applications. Purpose of addenda. Addenda serves various purposes in the context of books and publications. Providing additional information. Sometimes an author or publisher may find it necessary to include extra information that complements the main content of the book. This could be new research findings, supplementary data, or detailed explanations that enhance the reader's understanding. Example: in academic textbooks, addenda might include recent studies or advancements in the field that were not available at the time of the book's initial publication. Correcting errors. Despite rigorous editing and proofreading, errors can sometimes slip through into the final version of a book. Addenda allow authors to address and correct these mistakes without waiting for a new edition. Example: a scientific book might contain errors in data or calculations. An addendum can be added to correct these inaccuracies and provide the correct information. Updating content. In rapidly evolving fields such as technology or medicine, the content of a book can become outdated quickly. Addenda are used to update the readers with the latest information, ensuring the book remains relevant and accurate. Example: a medical textbook might include an addendum with updates on new treatment protocols or drugs that have been approved after the book was published. Practical applications of addenda. Addenda are utilized in various types of publications, including academic books, reference works, technical manuals, and even fiction. Their practical applications are numerous. Academic and reference books. In academic and reference books, addenda are particularly useful for including additional sources, bibliographic references, and extended discussions on specific topics. This helps scholars and researchers stay up to date with the latest developments in their field. Example: a history textbook might have an addendum that lists newly discovered historical documents or archaeological findings that shed new light on a topic. Technical manuals. Technical manuals often require updates to include new procedures, safety protocols, or technological advancements. Addenda provide a convenient way to incorporate these changes without rewriting the entire manual. Example: a user manual for a piece of software might include an addendum with information on new features added in a software update. Fiction. In fiction, addenda are less common but can still be used effectively. They might include additional stories, character backstories, or explanations of fictional languages and worlds created by the author. Example: J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings includes extensive appendices with background information on the history, languages, and cultures of Middle-earth, enriching the reader's experience of the fictional world. Significance of addenda. The inclusion of addenda in books underscores the dynamic nature of knowledge and the continuous pursuit of accuracy and comprehensiveness in written works. Addenda ensures that books remain valuable resources by incorporating the most current information and corrections. They reflect an author's or publisher's commitment to providing readers with the best possible content. Furthermore, addenda demonstrate a responsiveness to the evolving landscape of information and scholarship. By including addenda, authors can engage with ongoing developments and contribute to the ongoing dialogue in their respective fields. Conclusion: an addendum is a crucial addition to books and publications, serving to provide additional information, correct errors, and update content. Whether in academic texts, technical manuals, or even fiction, addenda enhance the value and relevance of written works. By understating the purpose and practical applications of addenda, readers and authors alike can appreciate their significance in the ever-evolving world of literature and information. So this was the discussion on the term addendum. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.